हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम लेकर आए हैं और एक नया वीडियो और इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाला है किया सोनेट की जेन्युइन एक्सेसरीज विद द ऑफिशियल प्राइजेस फ्रॉम द किया सोनेट वेबसाइट. So to start with the first one, we have the 3D trunk mat which has a price of around rupees 1885 and the 3D cabin mat which has a price of 2799. We have other options for the mat also, and we have the carpet mat and the all-weather mat. So you can choose with the several options for the mat inside the Kia Sonet, and I would recommend to go with the carpet mat because it has an appealing look and looks attractive. So you can compare the prices with the carpet mat, all-weather mat and the 3D mat, and the all-weather mat is the cheapest of all those and you can choose between them. And next we have the dual layer mat which costs around 5149. So it has dual layer and you can remove one of those. And next is the sunshade for the rear glasses. So I would really not recommend the sunshade for the rear glasses as you won't use this in the city nor in the highway because the rear glass should be empty for the driver's comfort to see the vehicles that are coming from the rear. I don't know why they put this in the accessories which is not really needed. So next one is the sunshade for the front window and the headrest cushion. So I would recommend you to go with the headrest cushion those ever who is buying the Kia Sonet, and avoid the sunshade for the front window because it costs around rupees 1649 and you can buy the cheap or the other sunshade from the local shops for the Kia Sonet which costs around less than 1000 rupees because you don't use it normally always in the city or in the highway because you need to enjoy the nature from the window, and I don't recommend the sunshade for the front window. And also we have the key cover and the vacuum cleaner. So again these two are optional if you are buying the Kia Sonet, and I don't recommend the key cover or the vacuum cleaner because most of the owners who already have a car would have already had the vacuum cleaner with them and it's not necessary to buy again. Or if you want to buy for the first time you can buy it from the official Kia accessories, that would be better. So key cover has a price of rupees 626 which is really good, and the vacuum cleaner has a price of rupees 2169 which is really good and affordable for the Kia Sonet accessories. And next we have the seat covers, and first one is the raven black with the red accent and second one is the ink black with the grey flaunt. And we have the other two options for the seat cover which is the cell grey with the black contour, and the other one is the amber brown quilted which costs around 5399 and 5470. And the next accessory is the mud flap and the bumper protector satin black. So the mud flap costs around rupees 489 and is much necessary for the Kia Sonet, and the bumper protector satin black adds the vehicle a much more sportier look and a more attractive look. And rest accessories, to talk about the Kia Sonet, all are the chrome accessories you will see in the Kia Sonet. So first one is the headlamp garnish chrome, and second one is the tail lamp garnish chrome. And the headlamp garnish chrome which costs around rupees 999 which is 1000 rupees, and the tail lamp garnish chrome is 1299, and these two are really not necessaries for the Kia Sonet. And here you can see we have the other chrome accessories for the Kia Sonet, that is the fog lamp garnish chrome and twin hood scoops which is also not necessary. And next we have the ORVM garnish chrome and the V-Lock garnish chrome. So the ORVM garnish chrome costs 799 and the V-Lock garnish chrome costs 1799. And next is the side fins. I think really you would need this because it has a much appealing and much attractive look, and the body side molding chrome, so this might be also needed because it has added the look to the Kia Sonet. And finally here we have the last set of accessories for the Kia Sonet, and first one is the window beading chrome which costs around rupees 1639, and the second one is the door visor which costs around 2279. I think door visor is recommended because it looks really attractive for the Kia Sonet, and the window beading chrome is really not recommended by me for the Kia Sonet. And next here we have the door handle chrome which costs around 909, and the finger guard chrome which costs around rupees 899. And next is the side step which costs around rupees 14,900 and something, I don't think this is recommended because it's really costlier for the amount. Side steps cost around 14,999, and the door still guard, you can buy the door still guard because it costs around rupees 779, and the cost for the side step is 14,999. So this would be an optional accessories if we don't want to invest much on the accessories and just buy only the Kia Sonet car. So next here we have the boot garnish chrome, rear reflector garnish chrome. As I already mentioned, we have a lots of chrome accessories for the Kia Sonet launch in the official website. And here we have the number plate garnish silver or black. Okay, that's another option, and the door strike cover. Okay, and we have the blind spot mirror, and you can add this. This would be really helpful in the long drives or in the highways. And the car cover premium, which costs around 4,109, and I don't think it is recommendable because you can buy it from outside or any other website for a much less price.